Hello friends, good evening. I am Shubhangi Sanjay Borte from Buldana. Today's date is 13 November 2021 and today's video topic is interface in Java. Like a class, an interface can have methods and variables, but the methods declared in the interface are by default abstract. Interface specify what a class must do and not how it is the blueprint of the class. An interface is about the capability, like a player may be an interface, and any class implementing player must be able to specify a set of methods that the class has to implement. If a class implements an interface and does not provide method bodies for all functions specified in the interface, then the class must be declared abstract. In its Java libraries, example, comparator interface, if a class implements this interface, then it can be used to sort a collection. To declare interface, use interface keyword. It is used to provide a total abstraction in Java. That means all methods in interface are declared with the empty bodies and are public, and all fields are public, static and final by default. A class that implements an interface must implement all the methods declared in the interface. To implement in interface, to use implement keyword. The next point is why do we use interface in Java? It is used to achieve total abstractions. Since Java does not support multiple inheritance in case of class, but by using interface it can achieve multiple inheritance. It is also used to achieve loose coupling. Interface when are used to implement the abstraction. So the question arises, why use interface when we have abstract classes? The reason is abstract classes may contain a non-final variable, whereas variable in the interface are final, public and static. The real world example of interface. Let's consider the example of vehicle, like a bicycle, car, bike. They have common functionalities. So you make an interface and put all these common functionalities and let bicycle, bike, car, etc. implement all the functionalities in their own class, in their own way. New features added in the interface in JDK8. Prior to JDK8, interface not define implementation. We can now add a default implementation of interface method.